Hello, my name is Luz, and now I'll talk you about a brief story about a contact lens, or simply contact, is a thin lens placed directly on the surface of the eye. Contact lenses are considered medical devices and can be worn to correct vision or for cosmetic or therapeutic reasons. Here is a brief timeline of the people who applied their knowledge to create what we now know as the contact lens. Leonardo da Vinci, who was the first man who had the idea of contact lenses in 1508. In 1823, British astronomer Sir John Herschel conceptualizes practical lens design. In 1887, the first contact lens manufactured from glass and fitted to cover the entire eye. 1978, introduction of GP contact lenses. 1987, introduction of disposable soft contact lenses. 1987, GP contact available in next generation of borosilicone acrylate materials. And finally, in 2002, silicone hydrogel contact lenses first market. Also in 2002, overnight orthokeratology approved by FDA. And as you may see, nowadays we have custom manufactured silicone hydrogel lenses that are becoming available, such as different lenses in many different colors, as you may see in these pictures. To continue, I will show you a short video about how to put on your contact lenses without hurting your eyes.
Nervous about putting them on? Don't be. You'll be amazed how quickly it becomes second nature. Here's a tip. Don't think of it as putting a contact lens in your eye. You're putting it on your eye. You barely touch your eye at all, because the soft lens glides into place as soon as it reaches the surface. And if you're wondering, your lenses can't get lost behind your eyes. They can't get stuck to your eyes, and it's almost impossible for them to fall out on their own. Bottom line, it's easier than you might think. And the more you do it, the easier it gets. Okay, let's get to it. First, always wash and dry your hands before you touch your lenses or your eyes. You definitely don't want dirt or germs on either. Always start with the lens for your right eye, so you don't mix them up, since each eye has its own prescription. Scoop your lens out of the case, then follow the instructions for your lens solution. Making sure your finger's dry, put the lens on the tip and take a close look. If it's shaped like a little bowl with a nice straight edge, you're good. If the edge curves outward, it's inside out. Flip it. Use your lens hand to pull down your lower lid. Using your other hand, hold your upper eyelid. Gently place the lens on your eye. You can put it right on the center of your eye or on the white part just underneath, whichever feels best. When the lens is all the way on your eye, slowly release your upper eyelid and close your eye for a moment. Blink a few times and look around to center the lens. And that's it.
So, that's it for this video. Thank you for your attention. Bye!